Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about the placement report and batch profile of the PGP 2021 batch of IIM Kozhikode. IIM Kozhikode has announced the closure of its placement season for the MBA 2021 batch with a 100% placement record. So we'll be looking at the placement highlights, the batch profile, and also the selection criteria of IIM Kozhikode. So let's get started. Firstly, let's look at the placement highlights of the batch. This year, a total of 137 companies participated in the placement process, and among which 51 companies are new recruiters. So recruiters from across the country as well as from international companies participated in this year's placement cycle. The highest CTC that was offered this year was 46.88 lakh per annum, and the average CTC stands at 22.53 lakh per annum. And the average CTC of women students is 22.98 lakh per annum, and the median CTC stands at 20 lakh per annum. And also apart from this, the average CTC of the top 5 percentile of the students is 44.87 lakh per annum, and the average CTC of the top 10 percentile is 44.34 lakh per annum, and that of top 25 percentile is 36.19 lakh per annum. So as we can see, they had a great placement record this year with the highest CTC around 46 plus lakh per annum. So these are the various domains that offered different kinds of roles. IT and analytics domain offered 16.7% of the total offers. The average was 23 plus lakh per annum, and the highest CTC was 46.88 lakhs. Then we have the operations domain with 8.3% of the total offers. The highest is 44 lakhs and the average is 28.6 lakhs. Next we have the sales and marketing domain with 15.3% of the offers. Highest is 30, the average 19.66 lakhs. And then similarly we have other domains like consulting, finance and general management. The consulting, as we can see, the consulting with the highest number of offers, 32.7%. The highest CTC was 44.8 lakhs, the average 24 plus lakh per annum. Similarly, we have the finance and the general management domain. So these are all the different companies in the respective domain. So if you look at the consulting domain, so the top recruiters in consulting domain were Accenture, Bain & Company, BCG, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, PwC, ZS Associates and so on. And then here we have the finance domain. Again, in this sector, the top recruiters were Axis Bank, Bank of America, Citibank, DE Shaw, Deutsche Bank, HDFC, ICICI, BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase, Yes Bank and so on. And here we have the general management domain. The major companies here are the Bajaj, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Go Indigo, Mahindra, Paytm, Reliance, Tata Administrative Services and so on. Next we have the IT analytics sector. And companies like American Express, Enphase Energy, Fractal Analytics, Google, Microsoft, Myntra, Walmart Labs and so on. And then we have the operations. So these were the major companies involved: African Industries, Amazon, Flipkart, Uber and so on. Next finally we have the sales and marketing. So under the sales and marketing sector, the top recruiters were Asian Paints, Bajaj, HUL, ITC, Lenovo, Nestle, Samsung, Tata Sky and so on. So these were the major firms that were involved in the recruitment. Right, now let's look at the batch profile of the PGP 2021 batch. So this 2-year full-time MBA program consisted of students from diverse backgrounds. First, if we look at the program fees, the program fee stands at 20 plus lakhs. The total number of participants in the batch were 459 students. The percentage of females in the batch was 30% and the percentage of males 70%. This was the education background of the batch. We have 147 students from the premier institutes such as IITs, NITs and the BITS. Next we have 43 students with professional certifications such as CA, CFA and FRM. And if you look at the academic diversity of the batch, 72% of the batch consisted engineers, and 21% of the batch was from the commerce background. Then we have 4% from the pharma and science background and 3% from the architecture and the design background. If you look at the work experience of the batch, 34% of the batch consisted of freshers, and the students, and if you look at the students with work experience, there was 60% of the students with 1 to 12 months of work experience, 27% of the students had 13 to 24 months of work experience, And then 16% of the students had 25 to 36 months of work experience, and only 7% students had more than 3 years of work experience. This is the sector-wise work experience of the batch. 4% of the people were from the automobile sector, and then we have 9% from the manufacturing, 13% from consulting, 14% from the BFSI sector, 34% from the IT analytics sector. So a major share was IT and analytics. Next we have 26% from all the other sectors. Finally, let's look at the selection criteria at IIM Kozhikode. So the institute follows a 3-stage selection process. In the first stage, they shortlist candidates based on their CAT score, and this is the minimum cutoff for various categories. So this is the cutoff for the general category, 85, 85, 85 in each section and 90 overall. And then the EWS and NC OBC category, the cutoff is 77 in all the 3 sections and 82 overall. Next we have the SC category with 55 in each section and 70 overall, and then we have the ST and PWD category with 50 in each section and 65 overall. And once they shortlist the students based on their CAT score, the next stage, that is the stage 2 selection criteria, will happen, and this is to shortlist candidates for the final interview. So in the stage 2, your CAT score is given a 45% weight, and 10 scores and 12 scores are given 25 and 15% respectively, and 10% weightage for the diversity factor, and finally your work experience is given a weightage of 5%. So as we can see, they give more weightage to your 10th and 12th scores. So this is 40% weightage to your 10th and 12th scores. And once you fulfill this criteria, you will get shortlisted to the stage 3 of the selection process, that is the final selection. So these are the different weights, and so as we can see, again your CAT score is again given a 44% weightage, and 44% weightage is given to your personal interview. And finally, this is something unique to IIM Kozhikode, so they have 12% weightage to your resume as well. The resume score consists of 12%. So based on these parameters, they shortlist the candidates, they make a final selection list. So these were the key placement highlights, batch profile of the 2021 batch at IIMK, and also the selection process. Thank you so much.